there is more of probability or possibility of support if it is not all divorce. Or we're not talking of divorce, but we're talking of dissolution of marriage.
So open supportahan.
Open
The probability
majority.
by most of the members.
Hindi lang basta pag-usapan, sir, ha? Susuportahan, sir.
Malamang. I'm not saying yes. I'm saying most probably there will be more support if we're talking of a dissolution of marriage instead of divorce.
Sir, you agree on that? You're part of that.
Sa matingin.